Atrás del todo,
¿Sí?
para que no rompa la fibra, las esquinas, para que no la toquen.
Muy bien.
Atrás del todo, que tiene el barco así un fibra de poliéster.
Este es sapelle.
Se pone.
Ahora
bajo yo la máquina, San, ahora la bajo yo.
Vale. We're on the boat today, doing some woodwork below the wheel, the timon. A lovely day. No, es mucho mejor. Una botella cada 2 años en la cocina, ya está.
Sí, pero tú vas ahí al polígono butano, a los de Cobes, y te contratas el butano a ellos. Ellos te hacen un contrato y te dan un seguro.
Okay, well I've done all this with the oil, he calls it. No, it's not varnish. It's just, it'll go transparent when it's dry, but it waterproofs the teak. But it can still get damp and do its job. This is where we've been working. Got the engine running for about half an hour. There's a Vetus, and there's the beams in there. You see, got the big one down there, and 2 more going up here. See, there's 2 beams, a beam there and a beam in front. So this wheel now is much more solid. These fiberglass this. I mixed it.
Coja cuerpo ahí, cuando coja cuerpo ya el agua no se queda allí. Viene para acá.
Vale.
Esto ya también, el rodillo este ya no vale para nada, ¿no?
I've just taken this off. The screws are falling out. I used palillos, which is like a kebab with the stick. Poke them in a hole, and the screw goes in a lot tighter. So we're going to repair this. This is the cover to the engine. Sebastian's down there. We're doing all the teak with this product. Repairing the covers to the engine. Putting the beams down there. No screws through the hull, of course. And we've got 2 more beams coming up supporting the timon. Started the engine. It's got a new battery. Charged the battery. Lovely day. Look at this. Here comes a bird.